Hey everyone! So today, I'm diving into this super impactful book, Secrets of the Millionaire Mind by Harv Eker. It totally shifted my perspective on wealth and success, and I can't wait to share the highlights with you. It totally dives into the mindset differences between those who are thriving financially and those who are just getting by. One of the most mind-blowing parts of the book is when Eker breaks it down and shows us that financial success isn't just about our actions, but it's all about our mindset. Like seriously, it's a total game changer. In today's video, I'm diving into the 6 key differences that set rich and poor people apart. Let's get into it. Understanding these differences can totally change the way you think about wealth and help you level up your mindset for financial success. If you're all about leveling up your wealth game or just vibing with personal growth, you gotta check out these gems from Secrets of the Millionaire Mind. They're total game changers. Okay, let's jump right in. Key difference. Number 1. Wealthy individuals prioritize time, while those with less focus on money. Wealthy individuals tend to prioritize time, whereas those with less money often focus more on financial resources. So let's talk about 2 people, Jenny and Mike. Jenny dedicates a couple of hours every day to clipping coupons, all in an effort to save a few bucks on her groceries. Mike, meanwhile, is spending his time figuring out how to make $1,000 a day by starting an online business. Jenny thinks a lot about saving money, while Mike is all about making it. Wealthy individuals really get that time as their most precious resource. They can't reclaim it once it's gone. They concentrate on activities that boost their income, such as investments or business ventures. People who are struggling financially often find themselves spending a lot of time trying to save just a bit of money, not fully aware of how much time they're actually using up in the process. Consider this. If you take 2 hours to save $20 on something you want, you're basically saying your time is worth $10 an hour. Rich folks tend to concentrate on making $100, $500, or even $1,000 an hour by tapping into leveraged opportunities such as passive income or investing in businesses. It's really not just about saving every little bit. It's more about making the most of your time to get better results. Key difference number 2. Wealthy individuals emphasize outcomes, while those with less concentrate on the work. One big difference is that wealthy folks tend to earn money based on the results they achieve, whereas those with less money usually get paid for the time and effort they put in. Picture this. 2 freelancers, James and Karen. James is all about creating top-notch websites for his clients, which is why he sets his project fee at $10,000. Karen, meanwhile, charges for the hours she puts in, earning about $25 an hour. James gets that clients aren't really focused on the hours he puts into their website. What matters to them is the end result. On the other hand, Karen seems to be caught up in thinking that effort equals value. People with wealth tend to concentrate on achieving significant outcomes, whether that's through a product, a service, or a solution. They get that it's not really about the amount of time you put into something, but rather the quality and value you bring to the table. This change in thinking helps wealthy individuals make a lot more money because they focus on results rather than the time spent. It's really straightforward. If you're looking to boost your income, concentrate on the value you can offer instead of the number of hours you clock in. Key difference number 3. Wealthy individuals consider both, while those with less tend to think either or. Rich people tend to think in terms of both, while poor people often see things as either or. Imagine a successful businesswoman named Jennifer. She's been asked if she puts her family or her career first. She replied, both. She thinks that with some good planning and the right support, she can really make her career flourish while also enjoying a happy family life. Now let's look at John. He thinks he has to pick between being successful at work or hanging out with his kids. Wealthy individuals tend to have a mindset that there's plenty of time, money, and resources available to reach various goals. People who are struggling financially often feel like there's never enough to go around, leading them to think they have to give up one important part of their life for another. When it comes to picking between a thriving career and personal happiness, wealthy individuals don't view it as a choice of one or the other. They really aim for a good balance and plenty in all parts of life. The main point is pretty straightforward. Don't box yourself in by believing you have to choose between success and happiness. If you have the right mindset and some good strategies, you can totally achieve both. Key difference number 4. Wealthy individuals tend to concentrate on opportunities, while those with less financial means often fixate on obstacles. One important takeaway from the Millionaire Blueprint is that wealthy individuals tend to concentrate on opportunities, whereas those with less financial means often fixate on obstacles. Imagine we have two entrepreneurs, Alan and Rachel. Alan's always brainstorming new ideas, but he tends to hold back because he's concerned about the potential downsides. Rachel, however, is always on the lookout for opportunities. When an opportunity comes up, she weighs the risks but doesn't hesitate to dive right in. Wealthy individuals tend to view challenges as opportunities waiting to be seized. They get that no situation is ever perfect, but they choose to focus on the potential rewards instead of the risks. Some folks, though, often let fear and uncertainty hold them back from chasing after opportunities. They notice issues all around and let challenges hold them back. It's pretty straightforward. When you concentrate on the hurdles, you'll just end up with more hurdles. When you concentrate on the possibilities, you'll draw in even more possibilities. Hey, just a quick reminder that challenges are a part of life, but don't let them hold you back from spotting the potential in every situation. Key difference number 5. Wealthy individuals tend to be around success, while those with less often find themselves in negative environments. Richards points out that wealthy individuals often choose to be around successful and positive people, whereas those who are less fortunate might find themselves in the company of negative or unsuccessful individuals. Think about someone like Robert. He's always out there networking with entrepreneurs, hitting up conferences, and diving into books written by successful folks. He's always getting inspired by his surroundings to reach for more. Now let's look at David. He hangs out with folks who are always grumbling about the economy, pointing fingers at the wealthy, and blaming their situation for not getting ahead. Wealthy individuals really get how crucial their surroundings are. To be successful, it's important to be around people who lift you up and inspire you, rather than those who bring you down or spread negativity. People often say, "You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with." And it seems like wealthy individuals really believe that. It's important to think about who you want to hang out with. To achieve more, it's a good idea to hang out with people who are already where you want to be or who inspire you to grow. Key difference number 6. Wealthy individuals have a clear vision of their goals, while those struggling financially often just desire wealth. The 6th difference is having a clear vision. We often see that wealthy individuals have a clear vision of their goals, whereas those with less financial means tend to dream about becoming rich. Picture this: 2 buddies, Alex and Ben. Alex has a solid plan in mind. He aims to create a thriving real estate business, acquire 5 rental properties, and generate $200,000 a year in passive income over the next 5 years. Ben, though, just casually says, "I want to be rich one day," without any real plan or details in mind. Richards points out that figuring out exactly what you want is the first step to making it happen. Just having a general idea of wanting to be rich isn't enough. You really need to have a clear and specific picture of what wealth means to you. Wealthy people really know what they want, whether it's financial freedom, traveling the world, or retiring early. They stay super focused on their end goal. So, what's the lesson here? If you haven't figured out what your idea of a rich life is, you might find it tough to get there. Make sure to clearly outline your financial goals in a way that's easy to understand and act on. In conclusion, those are some of the mindset differences that really set the wealthy apart from the average person. Valuing time more than money and surrounding yourself with success are principles that can really change your life if you stick with them. It's great to know that anyone can pick up these mindsets if they're willing to put in some awareness and effort. Hey, what do you think is the main point you got from this video? I'd love to hear what you think in the comments. If you found these insights useful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks. Your support really makes a difference and helps us keep creating content that can guide you on your journey to success. Keep in mind, it's not only about what you know, it's about how you put that knowledge into action.